In this video, I will show you how to blur part of a video in Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have your clip in the timeline. Select the clip and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now, move the clip one track above, place the playhead at the start of the clip, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. This creates a duplicate of your clip, allowing you to apply effects without affecting the original. You can skip this step if you don't need a backup. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop it onto the duplicated clip. Now select the clip and go to the Effect Controls panel. Look for the Blur effect. You will see a pen icon under it. Click on the pen tool and create a mask around the object you want to blur. Once the mask is created, adjust the blur settings to your preference. You can also change the mask feather settings to make the edges smoother. If the object moves in the video, you can track it automatically. In the Effect Controls panel, click on the play icon next to the mask tracking options. Premiere Pro will now track the object and keep the blur in place. And that is how you blur part of a video in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.